question you just posed. I think it was a good one. I think it was a legitimate one, but so maybe this is a little bit premature. What I will or will not do before I get a final product, since the road is going to be long and bumpy before I finally see an actual bill on my desk. But I can tell you, I think that in the roundtable I just had, there were at least 3-4 folks in that roundtable. The majority of the women I just talked to had an instance in their lives where either because of a sick child or a premature baby or an ailing parent, they would be bankrupt had they not had health insurance. Broke.
Would you consider doing the same under some circumstances, or do you think it's premature? And I think we're just interested in getting inside your mind.
To be effective, would you support fast-tracking its approval in the United States?
I think it's premature for me to say that because I don't have enough information. By 2030, we will reduce premature deaths from power plant emissions by nearly 90%. And thanks to this plan, there will be 90,000 fewer asthma attacks among our children each year. And I think it's premature for us to say that there is a clear path forward, but there's the possibility, at least, for us to make some progress on that front.